So China's growth has beaten expectations. Why is that?
Well, it does look like in the headlines, of course, the numbers, as you suggested, came in higher than anticipated. A lot of that seems to be the so-called revenge consumption. As illustrated by retail sales and as represented by retail sales, came in a lot stronger than expected. But the counterbalance to that is that industrial output didn't quite accelerate the same way or to the same extent that retail sales or the consumption side of the economy did. That's to say, the output was a bit softer. Critically, we found that investment sentiments lagged because both on an aggregate fixed asset investments and property in particular, they've continued to undershoot. So it's a mixed bag despite the very flattering headline.
And Taiwan's economy has struggled recently due to lower Chinese demand. Have we reached a turning point now?
I think in the very near term, it would be very difficult to call an inflection. There are two reasons for this. One is we are transitioning on a global scale from an economy that was really, driven by goods consumption during COVID to one that's rebalancing towards services. So that's a global phenomenon. And against that backdrop, you've got a lot of manufacturers in the interim supply chain, as well as you've got retailers who are looking to pare down inventory levels to be commensurate with where they see stable consumption patterns. The other end of this, of course, is that you've also got global headwinds gathering as you've got higher policy rates checking back on the aspects of demand that can hold up under these conditions.